Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing and certification services. Our N10045-1 testing services provide accurate, reliable results for metallic materials, ensuring quality and performance. With cutting-edge technology and experienced professionals, we specialize in metallic material impact testing. The Charpy impact test measures a material's ability to absorb energy under sudden force, a critical indicator of toughness. Our tests are conducted in full compliance with N10045-1 standards, ensuring globally accepted results. From aerospace to construction, we serve a wide range of industries that depend on reliable material performance. At CDG Inspection, our advanced equipment guarantees precision and repeatability in every test. We deliver detailed, easy-to-understand reports to help you make informed decisions. Clients choose us for our commitment to quality, accuracy, and unparalleled customer service. Our step-by-step process ensures meticulous attention to detail from start to finish. At CDG Inspection, we're committed to maintaining environmentally responsible practices in all our services. We support innovation by providing the data needed to develop stronger, more reliable materials. With a global network of labs, we're ready to assist clients anywhere in the world. Ready to get started? Visit us at www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection, trusted for quality, driven by precision.